In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Thunder VPN app. So if you're experiencing any issues with Thunder VPN app, maybe your app can't open, or it hangs, or takes too long to open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to fix your Thunder VPN app, follow these steps. In the first step, we are going to go to the app info page, and for this, just long press on your app and then tap on app info. Now for this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here is the breakdown of data stored and used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. From here, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Thunder VPN app, and this should fix most of the issues for this app. However, should you still experience any challenge, then go ahead again to this app info page and then tap on clear all data and then OK. And this will go ahead and clear all the app data. Go ahead and log in afresh. You'll need to sign in to start using it. But should the problem persist, then you need to go ahead and look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'll go to Google Play Store and then search for the app, look for any update if it is available. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and install the latest version of Thunder VPN app. For my case, I already have an up-to-date app, so I don't have an issue with that. But should your app keep on crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app, then install it afresh to fix any issues related with the older version of your app. By uninstalling your app and installing it afresh, you'll be able to remove all bugs that might be associated with your app. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to Thunder VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.